Hello. Welcome you to No Limits. Do you know why waterfalls look in white color? Let's look into the waterfalls. Now you can observe that falling water looks white color. Water flowing over ground remain transparent. In waterfalls, water falls vertically from certain height. While falling from height, stream of water split it up into fine tiny water droplets that contacts with the atmospheric air and dissolved oxygen present in water get evaporated. Light rays incident over the droplets bubbles and scatter to the visible range. Primary color sources of light is red, green and blue. These colors are mixed with equal proportions. They produce white color. So that's the reason for waterfall looks white color. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. No Limits.